Outside the Vaccination Center at the Chancellor Hotel and Conference Center in Fallowfield. This clinic has almost vaccinated 10,000 people. All guidelines were displayed in different languages to help visitors of all backgrounds. We would like to thank everyone around the country who is working really hard during this difficult time to vaccinate as many people as possible, including those who are priority. Mustafia Sharif and TV49News has taken the initiative to support this clinic by providing food to all key workers and volunteers who are working non-stop in these clinics so they can work efficiently. The community is standing beside them. Thank you to everyone who donated, helped and supported us. A special thanks to Mr. Javed, owner of Sanam Sweet Stockport, for their help and support. Follow the government guidelines on social distancing and keeping everybody safe. Vaccination Centre volunteers were working really hard with enthusiasm. People who came for the vaccination were really happy and encouraging others to get vaccinated. At this occasion, we spoke to a few people to get their opinion and feedback. They said,
"My name's Parveen Khan and I'm a practice nurse. I'm here vaccinating all the ethnic community. Well, I would say come in, have your vaccination. It's very safe. I've had mine. Protect yourself, protect everyone around you."
Thank you, Aamir. I'm really pleased to be here at Chancellor's doing this targeted clinic, which is being arranged by the primary care networks in this area to really reach out to all of our South Asian communities in particular, because we know that they have lots of concerns about taking up the vaccination, or they haven't been able to get the information. So they've been reached out to say, there's a special clinic set up here, please come along. There's lots of people here with lots of different languages to help people.
A lot of work has gone on behind the scenes to put this clinic on, especially for the population that have been difficult to target or who have declined vaccination because of misinformation.
We've had 10,000 people coming through these doors here, and now we want to work really, really hard to make sure that the next 10,000 are people who perhaps have got doubts, perhaps haven't been able to respond to a text message, or perhaps haven't understood something about why it's really important to get a vaccination. So we want to work really, really hard with all our partners to encourage people, encourage your family members, how important it is for all of us that everybody has access to proper information that is reliable, so that people can make a decision to take up the vaccination, which is proven to be safe. Over 10,000 people from our local community cannot be wrong in making this decision.
People's reactions when they get the injection afterward.
So everyone has been very, very grateful, and they are so thankful for having the vaccination. We haven't seen any reactions or any adverse allergies. Everyone has been fine.
It's a good thing that people are coming to get some vaccine, because they are protecting themselves and their loved ones. So to me, I would just ask a lot of people to come so that they can get the vaccine, because they are protecting. And I know after that, I know like the way the Prime Minister has already said that, in June, we are thinking like we are not going to have a lot of people, a lot of cases with COVID-19. So I'm asking people to come and vaccinate, because we have taken it, and I don't have any problem with that, and I'm enjoying it because I know I'm protected.
The clinics are run very well, everyone's very friendly, it's all very professional, and they really look after you. So I recommend everyone get it. Let's be safe.
सेफ्टी लिए करानी चाहिए, बहुत अच्छी है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता. I think everybody should have it.
आपको कॉल आती है कि वैक्सीनेशन की, तो आप जरूर जाएं और अपनी वैक्सीनेशन डोज लें, खुद भी बचें और अपनी फैमिली को भी बचाएं. आप क्या कहेंगे?
हाँ, बिल्कुल यही बात है कि हम ना देखें, सारी दुनिया में ना मिलियंस ऑफ लोगों ने ना वैक्सीनेशन ले लिया है, और ये हमारा एम है कि सारी दुनिया को वैक्सीनेशन जिनको ऑफ़र हो रही है ना, जो प्रायोरिटी एरियाज़ हैं और सारे हैं, वो सब ले लें. क्योंकि ये बात है कि हम अगर थोड़े लोग नहीं लेंगे ना, तो ये वायरस ख़त्म नहीं हो सकती. ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है कि इसको हम मैनेज करें. तो मैनेज करने का ये है कि हम सब लें, हमारे लिए और हमारी कम्युनिटी के लिए.
আমি এখন বাংলায় বলবো এই করোনা ভাইরাস অনেক অসুবিধা হচ্ছে লোকে মানে অনেক লোক মারা যাচ্ছে অনেক অসুখ হচ্ছে অনেক অসুবিধা হচ্ছে এই ভ্যাকসিনটা বার করা হয়েছে আপনার ভালোর জন্য আপনার প্রোটেকশনের জন্য সো এই ভ্যাকসিনে কিছু ভয় নিতে হবে না স্ক্যার হতে হবে না if আপনার কিছু কোয়েশ্চেন আছে আমাদের ডক্টরসে ফোন করা জিপি প্র্যাকটিসে ফোন করা আমরা সব আপনাকে বোঝাবো এই ভ্যাকসিনটা কেন ভালো আপনার জন্য But on social media and news and friends, অনেক ভুল ইনফরমেশন আছে সো আমাদের সঙ্গে কথা বলো আমরা বলবো কেন এই ভ্যাকসিনটা ভালো আপনার জন্য
जब तक हम इंजेक्शन नहीं लगवाएंगे तो हमारे और ज़्यादा रिस्क है हमारी लाइफ को मिलने वालों को हमारे ख़ानदान वालों को बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है इसमें क्योंकि अगर एक बंदा घर में बीमार होता है तो उसकी वजह से सारा फैमिली पे असर पड़ता है इसकी वजह से सो अपना भी ख्याल करें अपने घर वालों का भी ख्याल करें और अपने मिलने जुलने वालों का भी ख्याल करें
Mian Aamir Ali, TV49 News, Manchester, UK.